Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a haul for a Bluey birthday party that I'm going to have for my daughter. She's going to turn 6 and we're going to have a Bluey birthday. Bluey, let me see. Bluey, it's the series and Netflix Bluey. And I wanted to show you the items that I got so far. The party's not going to be in their house, so I'm going a little bit lower. It is going to be at Sky Zone. Sky Zone is a trampoline place. I have 2 hours for it, and I got these items for the Bluey birthday. I'm going with the theme of episodes from the series over at Netflix, and some of the items are from there. I did do the invitation myself, and I also did the little papers that I'm gonna have here for that as well. I did it myself, and I'm going to show you first how the haul of the party of all the items and where I find them. That would be one video, and on the next video, stay tuned, I will assemble the goodie bag where it implicates the little labels that I did for them and everything else. And we are Mexican, some of the candy that I got are not related to the Bluey, but I kind of went with it. But other than that, let's get started, and I'm going to show you what I got. I also have a sprained thumb, and that's why we're like that. This is what I got so far. Look at this. These are all the items for you to look at. I'm going to show you the items that I got at the Dollar Tree first, and then we'll go with the items that I got in Amazon. At the Dollar Tree, I got the jelly beans. I got a bag for Rita's beans. It is an episode in the cartoons. Rita's beans. I got these, which are marshmallow swirls, and you can see there's like a unicorn. It is unicorn poop. I can remember what was it called, the little thing, but when I assemble things, you will see. I also have these Krabby Patties. They're little hamburgers because they did have a burger shop over at Bluey's episodes. I got these bag, which is 40 zipper seal bags. These, I think I might need one more. I might have one more. These, I will be putting all these items, 12 items in here. I have 12 goodie bags is for each of the things in here, and then the label will go in there. I also got these from the Dollar Tree. They're gift bags. They're 3 in a pack. You cannot go wrong with them. They're good size for your goodie bags. You can put a sticker in there, and then we go from there. I got that from the Dollar Tree. I got these latex balloons. These are the red, the only red that I could find. It is a bit dark, but it is for Keepy Uppy. It's another episode from there that they keep the balloon up. I did got the happy birthday candle from there as well, from the Dollar Tree. And then I also got, what else was from the Dollar Tree? Oh, this one. This is a photo frame, 5x7, because there's an episode where they adopt a little bunny, and that's where I got all of these bunnies from there. I got all the colors, and look at, they have the white one, they have a purple or lilac, turquoise or green, my favorite, and a blue, and the pink one is Adopt a Flippy, something like that. I can't remember right now, but he has long ears, so that's why I got these ones. They're so cute. I got 12 of them, and then I got variety of colors because there's boys and girls, of course. That's for that one. And I'm gonna put a sign, Adopt a Flippy or whatever, and I want that for this frame. I will show you how that's assembled as well. That is from the Dollar Tree. Now, from the 99-cent store, I got this cake topper. This cake topper, it is only these little tubes are plastic, and the rest of it is a little banner. It's paper, but it looks so cute. Look at that. Happy birthday. And it's kind of like I have these colors, orange and blue, in the kind of like lilac, like low kind of colors. I got this one as well. This is a $2.49 item, but it does include a rectangle table. It has 3 of them, value of 3 for $2.49. It's a good buy. I got them in blue, and then I also got it in orange. I'm going for the pastel colors with that one because there's an episode with Bingo, which is the orange one that is kind of with flowers and stuff like that. So I have that. I also got these premium deli containers. It has 12 containers. It was $2.99. I want to put fruits in here because, like I told you, our party is going to be in another place. It's Kaizon. So it's a jumper place, a trampoline place. So I want to put the fruits here, and they have lids. So I got two of those. $3 is all right for these kind of items. If you go to the Smarter Finals where you find this container kind of thing, and it's around the same. I think it's a little bit cheaper in the 99-cent store. And it has the lid and it has the container. So there's that. I also got this one from the Dollar Tree. I don't remember what was my idea with this one, but I do remember I got orange for Bingo because Layla wants to be Bingo. Bluey and Bingo are 2 girl dogs, and Bingo is the smaller one, like my daughter. So I can't remember what was the idea with this, but we'll figure it out. There's that. Okay, now from the Mexican stores, I got this one. I actually got this one at Walmart. Is the Pinta Azul. It's a lollipop, but I got it specifically because they're blue, like Bingo. I also got these Bubble. You can also find these at Walmart, but they're smaller, and these ones are a bit bigger. I got them at the flea market. They're bigger, and I also got them because they were blue. I got these because I like them, the Pelon Rico, and I got these ones. These are baby bottles, and there's gum. All these little things in there is gum. I just got them because they do play babies, and that's the reason why I got that one. Now from Amazon, I got these little stars. There's an episode where they have these glow-in-the-dark stars up in their ceiling, and I'm gonna have that. It's another part of the goodie bag. This came in a whole set. In a whole set came the table cover, which has like the whole theme. I will put the links in the description box as well if you want to buy them from there. They have the whole family. So I'm going to have this one for the cake and the main table, and these ones are for the regular tables. This is from Amazon. This came in the same packet. It had the cake plates they're 8 in each package, so it's a total of 16 in here. There is 16 napkins. Look at that, Skippy Yappy. That's a balloon that I'm going with over here. And also these are the bigger plates, also 8 count, so it's 16, but you can see it has a different. This one is the whole family, and this one is just Bingo and Bluey, as well as the one over here. Let me put that over there. In the same packet came the banner. This banner says happy birthday. You can see happy birthday. Hopefully all these are the same because I seen a banner that it's wacky, but it's length 6 feet long, the banner. I think it has a string. Yeah, look, there's a string where you just hold it next to each other. In the same packet, it was this. It's my birthday sticker in the same packet. Now, these I bought separately. I will put in the description box the link for it. This is a table decorations. It has big ones and the smaller, like medium and smaller ones. These are paper. You can see here. They're just like for the table decor. The big one, of course, I'm gonna put in the cake table, or I might put it all throughout there. And then this is kind of like confetti of the little characters. I think it's only the doggies Oh, you can see here the little owls, little gnome dogs, these other little doggies, and then Keep Yappy balloons. I bought this one separate Amazon, and I also bought these stickers in Amazon as well. These I mainly bought them to put it in front of the white goodie bags, and these ones are okay. I can remember how much they were. These are, I think they're 50. Yeah, 50 cartoon stickers, and of course they're like the off-brand one. They're not, look at, see, is what people made and what they took out. So it's a really nice buy. It's separate link. I also bought these. They were also on a separate one. They're not with that packet. These are the bingo ears. They're little clips to put on their hair. This is Bingo, and this is Bluey. This one would be for Luna, and this one Layla will put on. I also got these value pack of 22 pouch Betty Crocker gummy fruit flavor snacks. There's 22 pouches, Bluey, and there's this. I will put in the description box where I got it as well. It's also Amazon. I haven't seen this in any grocery store, just to let you know. I also got these. Oh, look, the forks, I got it from the Dollar Tree. That's part of the Dollar Tree. I got these sticky geckos. It is an episode as well from Bluey. And these sticky geckos, of course, are that. Sticky geckos. It's like a sticky hand. Look at that. Sticky gecko. So this is part of their goodie bag. Part of the goodie bag, part of the episodes. And then the last but not least item are the glasses, the granny glasses. There's 12 in here. It's white, black, blue, like melon, pink, red, and kind of transparent pink. Let me take one out. I like that it came in their individual baggies. Look at that. So I can just stick the little label that I did. But they're so cute. I actually found this one through a TikTok of somebody else doing their party. But yeah, there's that. I also have this one, but I'm just going to put it in their baggie. It's a bracelet, glow in the dark. There's 12. I have gotten this from Halloween, I think. I don't remember. But there's that. And since this is kind of like a girlish glasses because of the flower, and then again they were granny glasses. I got a few of these from the Dollar Tree. Of course, it's $1.25. I can't remember how much these were, but they were about $1 each. I got these for the boys because I do have little boys that were invited, because this whole party idea is for her class. I did do it in Sky Zone, and it is for her classmates. They are from kindergarten, so most of these are little girls just like her. They're either 5 already, or they're 5, or they're already turned 6. They've been having birthday parties, and they have invited us, so we went. So I decided to do a birthday party for that, for her classmates kind of thing, and then the closest nephews that I have. But yeah, these are for the boys, and then I will mark the goodie bag to identify from a girl and a boy, and these are for the girls. And this is, I forgot to show you, I also have this banner. It's like a cloth banner. I will insert a picture here how it looks all unfolded, and inside it has a little box where the clipping things. I will show you a picture when I put this up. I want to put this up when is the day of her birthday. So I did also buy this in Amazon as well. It's cloth. All the supplies that I gotten for the party decoration goodie bag idea for the Bluey birthday. I hope you find this helpful. Down in the description box as well, I will include the links where I got the specific items that I bought online, and the rest of it, you know that your Dollar Tree is where you will find your other items, and your candy, of course, you go to your Walmart or any other place that you have candy. Other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today, and showing you the haul. On the next video, I will show you how I assemble the goodie bag along with the labels that I've made myself, and the station for adopt a flippy bunny. Yeah, other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done so, please click subscribe, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.